Hi, I am Prof Fincken and I'm going to make some butter and some buttermilk today. It might seem strange, I'm English, but I've never made butter. I thought I'd come to the land of olive oil in the Mediterranean, but I've discovered that there's something very important that we use a lot in British cuisine that I don't know how to make. So today I'm going to show you how to make butter. Okay, we need some very basic materials. So here I've got a large bowl, okay, and an electric hand whisker, okay. That's all I need at the moment in terms of utensils, okay. Then I need 1 litre of single cream, okay. 1 litre of single cream, and I'm going to put that in the bowl straight away. Okay, it's half a litre, and let's put in the other 500 ml. And whisker to start on a low level and start whisking the single cream. We need to keep whipping, keep whisking until we get to what we call in English whipped cream. Okay, whipped cream is a more solid cream that we use to top lots of desserts in England, and it's called whipped cream. So until we get to that density, we still need to keep whisking. Okay, we're almost there, but not quite. You can see it's thickening up, but it's not quite whipped cream yet. Let's go. Okay, after about 20 minutes, you should get to this kind of consistency. So you can see it's not coming off the whisker. It looks like this really thick, fluffy cream. Okay, and if we added some icing sugar, it would be a chantilly cream, and we could use it for some sweet desserts. But we're going to continue now and go on with our butter. Okay, here you can see how it's getting, the consistency is getting thicker and thicker. It's becoming slightly yellow, and the fat is separating from the milk. Keep going. Okay, after about 10 minutes, you'll see that the colour is a little yellower and it's getting quite thick now. Okay, still need to keep going. You can see a little bit of liquid at the bottom there, but you still need to keep whisking. Off we go. Okay, once you've got to this consistency, you'll see that the liquid has separated from the butter. Okay, this liquid is called buttermilk, but we're going to filter it now and separate them completely. Okay. Okay, you need to make it all compact until you've got put it into a sieve. You need a sieve at this point. Okay, and you'll see that the buttermilk, okay, we're going to filter it through. Okay, there we've got the butter, very nice and yellow now. Filter it through. Okay. There we have it. Okay, now you've got your butter, you've sieved through the buttermilk. You need a container so that you can put the butter in it and put it in the fridge. Okay, so in it goes. What a lot of butter. It's amazing. Okay, push it down. Homemade butter, who would have thought? With some single cream, we've got our very own butter that we're going to put straight in the fridge. Okay, so it's nice and cold. Okay, what we've got here is buttermilk. Okay, so that's the liquid, and we're going to put it into a little bottle to conserve it. Okay. then we can put that in the fridge and use it in about 3 days for some other recipes. I've never considered myself as much of a baker. I really prefer savoury things to eat. I prefer first courses and second courses. One of the things I like to do is to make bread. Okay, so I've made some bread here and I'm going to show you a way that you can eat your butter the best possible way, in my opinion. Wow, I can hardly believe it. Real butter, okay? And what I've decided to do is put some anchovies, okay, nice and salty, just the way I like it. There we are. Heaven. I hope you enjoyed the film, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.